That's for all the American friends that are wondering about our plastic money here in Canada. So I know some have been asking about Canadian money. They thought it was really thick. It's like paper thin. Feels like plastic. Pretty much not, you can't rip it. It's got some interesting features like this clear thing. We can see my fingers through it way in the back there somewhere. For the braille, it's got, I guess that's a 20. I can feel it. This one, whatever the picture is there, will also be up in here somewhere. It's a hologram. If I get it to, oh, there we go. If you do it the right way. Plus, this is a 20, so then there should be little 20s in a hologram in there too. It's kind of hard to see. Plus, whatever this fancy building is here, that Big Ben. For some reason we have a clock with Big Ben, even though that's not in Canada. Flip it around and it's the same thing, but you can see through the clear. So that's kind of a neat thing. Very hard to duplicate. Show you a 10, not with the Queen on it. In fact, this one looks like it's actually made to look this way. This one's been in circulation for a little while. It's got some dents and dings on it. But again, somewhere in there should be either her face, I'm thinking, or something. Maybe this one ain't real, huh? No, it's real. Again, it's got some see-through stuff there. It looks like the braille pieces right there. Kind of hard to see. They don't remind us what all's on these things, but I'll grab a $5. Ooh, rich today. So again, it's got a clear piece in the corner there. So whoever's on there should be up in here somewhere too. There he is in 3D. And it looks like that same building. Should be, it's a 5. This is a 5, so it should be 5s in there with this hologram. And on the back as well. So you took a quick glance at these, and you can see through most of it. And then I guess at the top here again, there must be, oh, there it is, something. I thought those were the same dots were on the tin. Oh well. Just some of our money. And like I say, it's thin. It's as thin as paper was. You can get it wet. If you spilled your coffee on it or something, you can just wipe it off, damp. It'll be about the same shape as it was before. That's for all the American friends that are wondering about our plastic money here in Canada.